Facebook gift cards can be a great way to enhance your experience on the platform. Here is a simple guide to help you use them effectively. Step 1. Purchase a gift card. Choose a retailer that sells Facebook gift cards, such as grocery stores or online platforms. Select the desired amount and complete the purchase. Step 2. Access your Facebook account. Log into your Facebook account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account where you want to redeem the gift card. Step 3. Navigate to the gift card section. Go to the Settings or Account section of your Facebook profile. Look for the option related to payments or gift cards. Step 4. Redeem the gift card. Enter the code found on the back of the gift card in the designated area. Follow out any prompts to confirm the redemption and apply the balance to your account. Step 5. Use your balance. Once redeemed, you can use the balance for various purchases on Facebook, such as games, apps, or other services. Check the available options to make the most of your gift card. Now you're ready to enjoy your Facebook gift card. Happy spending!